dear students, hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. For the last classes, we are trying to solve some transformation of sentences. We are solving it because it is a very important topic for the student of class 8, class 9 and class 10 also. So, as you are a student of class 8, you have some prior idea about these sentences. You know, in these cases, here 5 words are given and you should solve these sentences according to direction. And the sentences are based on a same topic, same singular topic. So today we will solve some questions and that is transformation of sentences. So please follow me. In our whiteboard there are 5 sentences. First one is Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than any other poet in Bangladesh. Second sentence, he is known as a rebel poet. Active. Number 3, he was born into a poor family. It will turn into interrogative. Number 4, his poverty could not destroy his creativity. Instruction is given here, passive. Number 5, his writings are very encouraging for us, exclamatory. So, these 5 sentences based on our national poet Kazi Nazrul Islam. The first line here, Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than any other poet in Bangladesh. We shall turn this sentence into negative. If you notice, this sentence is an affirmative sentence, but in a structural sense, this is Kazi Nazrul Islam is greater than. It is a degree also. This sentence is in comparative degree. So, these sentences, this type of sentence, if one sentence is in comparative degree and the question setter when asked to turn it into negative, then what should we do? We should do what, that is, we have tried, we know about comparison of adjectives, that is degree, comparative, positive, superlative. So this sentence is in comparative degree. If we turn this into positive degree, then it will be a negative sentence. So follow me how we can change this sentence into positive degree. If we turn it into positive degree, then it will be a negative sentence. This type of sentences than any other, if a sentence contains than any other, in this case for positive degree, first we use no other. We use no other. Then after that we use poet in Bangladesh. For than any other, we use here no other. And after no other, we use the last part of the sentence, poet in Bangladesh. No other poet in Bangladesh. Then we will use verb. Here verb is. No other poet in Bangladesh is, you know, positive degree we use as. Then the positive degree of greater is great. As great as, and we should use subject. Subject here is Kazi Nazrul Islam. So this sentence becomes negative sentence. Remember, when there is a comparative sentence, comparative degree, if it is instructed to do negative, then we use it as positive degree. So here is no, that is, it is negative sense and it is a negative sentence. I think you have understood it. Second sentence, he is known as a rebel poet, active. This sentence is in passive mood. It is a passive voice. So when we turn it into active, then we use a subject. He is known as a rebel poet. Who knows him as rebel poet? We, the people of Bangladesh. So the subject, here is subject understood. We have to understand that here is a subject, and this subject is, we know him as a rebel poet. So here we use we or people. It is people of Bangladesh. People or we know this verb. Subjective, then it turns into object. People know him as rebel poet. So it is turned into, because this sentence is passive, because here auxiliary verb is and past participle form is used. So we have to understand that it is a passive voice, and when we turn it into active, then we must use a subject. Here we or people is the subject. We can use both of them, we or people. We should use in answer sheet we or people. Third sentence, he was born into a poor family, interrogative. We all know in interrogative we must use auxiliary verb first. Here was is verb, then it is an affirmative sentence. When we turn an affirmative sentence into interrogative, then after auxiliary verb we use not, nt, abbreviation form of not. Wasn't he born into a poor family? And of course we use note of interrogation. Fourth sentence, his poverty could not destroy his creativity. We shall turn it into passive. So it is an active voice. Here his poverty subject, destroy verb, his creativity, it is object. So in passive voice we use object as a subject. Your object is his creativity. Auxiliary verb could not, and we know after can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, we use in passive tone be. His creativity could not be, main verb destroy, its past participle form is destroy. His creativity could not be destroyed by his poverty. It is subject. So his creativity could not be destroyed by his poverty. Next sentence. His writings are very encouraging for us. It will turn into exclamatory sentence. We know when we turn a sentence into exclamatory, we use what or how. Here there is no article, so we use here how. How, after for very, we use here how. So, how encouraging his writings are here for us. We must use note of exclamation. How encouraging his writings are for us. So we have done here 5 sentences based on Qazi Nazrul Islam, and these 5 sentences are of 5 types. Now I think you have understood this. We will go another 5 sentences. So I am going to wipe out the whiteboard, and you should try to understand these questions and answers. Computer is not a curse. Every student needs computer. Notice, these 5 sentences are based on computer. First sentence, computer is not a curse. It will turn into affirmative. So, to do affirmative, we must use subject. Computer is, we should not use not. Computer is a, we should use the opposite word of curse. What is opposite word of curse? It is, blessing. Computer is a blessing. We all know computer is very important for us. Second sentence, every student needs computers. Negative. This sentence is affirmative. We should turn it into negative. So, if there is every in a sentence, when we do it into negative, then every will turn into there is no. Then we use the subject. There is no student. After subject we use a but. There is no student but needs computer. So for every we use there is no. Then subject, after subject we use a but, and after verb and other words. Number 3, it is a very wonderful invention. We will turn it into exclamatory. Notice here is an article. So if we turn this type of sentence then we use what? Then wonderful invention it is. We must use note of exclamation. What a wonderful invention it is. Question number 4. A poor student cannot buy it. We will turn it into interrogative. Here, can, auxiliary verb, so it is negative. A negative sentence, we will turn it into interrogative. In this case, we use first auxiliary verb, can, not, will not be used here. Can, then subject, poor student buy it, and of course note of interrogation. Can a poor student buy it? It is interrogative. Last sentence, it was not invented overnight, active. So computer was not invented overnight. That means some must be the inventor of computer. Who invented computer? Scientists. They took a long time to invent it. It was not invented overnight, 1 day, 2 day or 3 day or 5 months or 2 months. So computer was invented by someone. That someone means we cannot make it, but scientists, they are specialists for this type of work. So here subject should be scientist. Scientists did not invent computer overnight. So, my dear students, these 5 sentences are based on computers, and we have do 5 different sentences And if you try this at home, I think you will do better, you will do good in your exam, and you should follow your grammar book because these topics are very important for you. So today I will stop here. I hope you should follow the rules of health, the rules of cleanliness, and if you go outside, then you must wear masks and use hand sanitizer when you come back home, and don't go to in a mess or rush so that the contagious disease can infect you. Till then, Allah Hafiz.